In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the crankshaft position sensor on this Volkswagen Beetle. It's located behind the oil filter housing on the front of the engine. Let's get into it. We want to disconnect the connector right here. I'm just going to use a pick. Just get in here and release the latch. All right, pop that out. Might be slightly easier if you separate that first. You just slide that towards the front of the vehicle. And we can pop that connector off. There we go. So I disconnect that. A little bit tricky. So you want to follow the sensor, the wire back to the sensor, and you can see where you're going to use a 10mm socket. And just above where the sensor goes into the block, that's where the bolt is. It's not really something you can see, but right there, that's where it is. I can loosen this up. And take that bolt out. Now grab the sensor. You can just wiggle it a little bit. And it slides right out. And there it is. Take the new sensor. You just want to put a little bit of light silicone paste on the O-ring. It's going to help it go in properly, and then it won't roll. Get that lined up. And just rotate that back and forth a little bit. That's in. Now take the bolt and just get that in the right location. Get that started, and then we'll snug it down. Just snug that down. Now I'll take the connector. I'm going to line that up. You're going to have to reach up here, try to connect it to the top. Just get those lined up. Right, that's good. And I'll just lock it in place first. Now we're going to connect the connector. Make sure that the wire goes above this hose right here. Reach up in there, grab the top connector, and just connect them together. There we go. And you want to line that up in the bracket and lock it down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.